Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. And yes, we're now in the kitchen, back in the kitchen and not in the gym. So, I am excited to show you how to prepare, how to wrap this gyoza. Yes, we will be making gyoza. It's a dumpling. It's a Chinese dumpling commonly eaten in China and other parts of East Asia. We will be making as well miso soup. It's a Japanese soup, and I dropped some dumplings in there too. You can prepare it fried, steamed, or boiled. That's the gyoza wrapper. Thin, made of flour, wheat flour, water, salt, and oil. I made some fillings. That's the chicken I used here, ground chicken. As you can see, I'm dumping with the water around the wrapper, the dumpling wrapper. And that's how it goes. Just watch how it goes and pressing a bit around so we keep the filling intact. You can put a bit less of the filling so it's easier to handle. Pressing a bit, keeping your fingers moist as well so it doesn't stick into your hand, into your fingers. But I advise that you keep these wrappers in the plastic or cover it with a damp kitchen towel so it doesn't dry up. Here's another way of closing your dumpling, your gyoza. This is a better way because it is more lighter. As you see, you are just doing the pleats on this side in front of you, and the other side is flat, so it's thinner. The first one I made, it's a bit thicker because you make the pleats from both sides, so it's thicker. The tips of it are thicker if you do the first way of wrapping, so I prefer the second way of closing it. Heat the oil in the pan, medium over medium-high heat. Pressing ever slightly the bottom of this dumpling, the gyoza, against the pan. In 2 minutes, it's golden brown. And I put a bit of water and cover it. So that's how we steam it. First, you fry the bottom and steaming. Add a bit of sesame oil around the pan. And voila! Beautiful. And the miso soup, the Japanese soup, is ready, where I cook some of the dumplings, the gyoza, for a few minutes until it's floating. All the ingredients of the miso soup is in the description down below, so go ahead and check it. And that's our dip for the dumpling. It's here in this video, all the ingredients for that dip. So just keep on watching and you will find it here. It's easy. So just pretty on the plate. As you can see, I grilled some broccoli as well, Asian broccoli, for 6 to 8 minutes grilled in the oven with salt and pepper and some oil, olive oil I use for that so it doesn't dry up. So that's our gyoza, fried and steamed, and we will start to dig in. So enjoy, guys, and don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and leave your comments down below so I can get back to you as soon as I can, as always. Yummy. Make your own version. I'm sure it will be perfect. And this is really one of my favorite soups. Very tasty miso soup, plus with added dumplings. Yummy. And here's our dip. So 1 to 2 tablespoons of soya sauce, and I added sweet soya, about a tablespoon. Sesame oil, a teaspoon or 2. Own personal preference. That's apple cider vinegar. You can use any vinegar you have at home. Pepper. So no need for salt because soya sauce, they are quite salty already, so be careful. Actually, the idea is sourness, sweetness, and saltiness in the dip. And of course, with the fresh coriander and green onion. The scallions, if you have, or this, I have a spring onion. Mix it well, and you are ready to dip your dumplings into that tasty, sweet, sour, salty, and yes, of course, ginger. I used fresh ginger here. I don't peel it off because all the taste is there, and just grated. If you want, you can put garlic as well. It's personal preference. Oh. A bit of sugar for added sweetness. That's it. Easy and tasty. Thank you for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Stay safe and enjoy your day. Bye.